Look at this ravioli. Cheesy and hot. The first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay guys, we are making a simple ravioli dish. We're just going to spray our 9x13 casserole dish, and I'm just spraying it with a little bit of olive oil. You can spray it with cooking spray, whatever you have. I have the big family pack of ravioli, but we're not going to use it all. We're just going to open it up. And I'd probably say about half the bag. And it's all frozen. And we just throw it in just like that. Okay, I have some frozen spinach here, and I froze it right out of the, you know how you get the big containers of spinach from the grocery store? Well, I don't ever want mine to go bad, so if I think it's even, if I know I'm not going to eat it, I'll go ahead and freeze it. And it's so easy to crush up once you have frozen it. So we're going to put some right in our ravioli. And this is cheese ravioli. And we're just going to kind of break it up and kind of go all in. I just find it's just easier to do it that way. And I love spinach. And honestly, you can use peas and carrots, whatever you want in your dish, but I have all this spinach and I'm going to use it. Okay, I have some roasted chicken here that I cooked up the other day with some baked sweet potato, but we're not going to use the sweet potato. We're going to pretend it's not here. We're just going to start putting our chicken right in. I just had a roasted chicken and I took it off the bone. And I can make an easy, quick meal out of it. We don't want it in big chunks though, just kind of bite-sized pieces. And the baked sweet potato go to my little puppy with her food. Okay, I have about I have a couple tablespoons of butter. And we're just going to cut it up in little pieces. And we're just going to kind of stick it down in our casserole dish. We just cut it in little tiny pieces. And it can melt right in with the spinach and all that kind of stuff. Now you can use mushrooms if you want, or you can just leave them out. I'm going to drain this jar of mushrooms. Okay, we're just going to put them, we're going to just kind of push them right in. My husband loves mushrooms. I can take them or leave them. Okay. Okay guys, make sure we set our casserole on a sheet pan. You know how I am. And for some of you who don't know how I am, I like to put a sheet pan under a lot of my dishes because I don't want it to get burnt on the bottom. I just like light colored food, and I just find a small sheet pan really helps keep like my cookies and my casseroles, different things from either spilling over or burning. So I use a little bit of both. Now we're just going to add some pepper right here. Make sure the pepper's going to give it, we're not going to add salt because this has got a lot of cheese and it's already got some salt added. Okay, so I have 1 cup of chicken broth here. I make mine homemade, but sometimes I make it homemade. I made this homemade from the roasted chicken. Ooh, I can't open it. good now. Okay, now we're going to pour this whole jar of Prego homemade style right in our half a cup of chicken broth. And we're going to put another half a cup in here to get all that cream out. We're just going to shake our jar up. Just going to whisk it around. We're going to add a little bit more pepper. And maybe about a pinch of salt, just a little. Okay, give it one good whisk. And now we're just going to pour it in our casserole. We're going to kind of take our time, make sure it gets all in. We cover everything up. So simple and so easy. Now we're going to add some just simple shredded cheese. And this is going to melt slowly because we've preheated our oven to only 350 degrees. Give it a good cover. That is beautiful. Simple, simple meal, guys. You can do this. And it's so good. I promise you, this is delicious. Because we've got spinach and mushrooms and cheese ravioli. We've got chicken and cheese. How awesome. Now we're going to put it in our preheated 350 degree oven for about 1 hour. Look at that. Look at that butter. It come to the top. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and it's dripping. This is our ravioli, and we're going to eat it. I'm starving. I think my husband's starving. So we're going to eat. Look at this ravioli. Cheesy and hot. Y'all, this is so good. This is so good. The chicken, the ravioli, the spinach, the mushrooms, absolutely. It'll be like you've cooked all day. Thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. You are so kind and loving. You are YouTube. You guys go, please make this ravioli. You're going to love it. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.